The Ministry of Higher Education, Research, Science and Technology on Wednesday convened a validation workshop for 3 landmark policy instruments aimed at strengthening research governance in the Gambia: the draft National Research Bill, the Research Excellence Assessment Framework, and the National Research Regulations, held at a local hotel in Kololi. The day-long session marked a significant step towards establishing what officials describe as a robust, ethical, and forward-thinking research and innovation ecosystem. According to the ministry, the draft legislation and frameworks are designed to address long-standing challenges within the national research landscape, including fragmented oversight, limited funding, and the growth of unregulated research publications. At the heart of the bill is the proposed creation of a National Research Development and Innovation Council, which will serve as the apex body for coordinating and regulating research activities. The council will be responsible for stakeholder engagement, managing a national research fund, ensuring compliance with ethical standards, and fostering international partnerships while aligning research efforts with national development goals. In parallel, the Research Excellence Assessment Framework aims to systematically assess the quality, impact, and relevance of research conducted across higher education institutions and to elevate standards in both academic and applied fields. Complementing the legislative and quality assurance initiatives is the National Research Regulations, which sets out a framework for ethical oversight of research activities. Officials emphasize that the regulation seeks to safeguard the dignity, rights, and welfare of research participants, particularly vulnerable populations, while promoting scientific rigor and legal accountability. In his remarks at the workshop, the Minister of Higher Education acknowledged the complex challenges that have affected the country's research sector, including inadequate regulatory infrastructure and inconsistent ethical practices.
Our youth and academic community have already demonstrated extraordinary promise. We must support them through enabling policies, regulations, and world-class research institutions. Together, we can cultivate a generation of Gambian researchers and institutions that lead in startup development, digital innovation, and homegrown solutions to local and global challenges. Yes, from Bununkakunda to Oxford. We are from the Gambia. Yes, a small nation, but our people, their thinking capacity is not small.
The ministry's director of research noted that the new instruments were developed in alignment with the 2024 to 2029 National Research Policy, which envisions a well-regulated research landscape grounded in ethics, excellence, and inclusivity.
As we validate the 3 instruments, I urge stakeholders to take time to review using critical eye of a researcher and patriotic heart of nation builder. Your contributions will ensure that we build a governance structure that is robust, visionary, compliant, and enabling for generations of researchers to come. Today, let us lay the foundation for a research governance framework that inspires innovation, uphold ethics, encourage collaboration, and most importantly, serve the development need of our dear motherland, the Gambia.
The permanent secretary of the ministry echoed that sentiment, commending the research team for its effort and reaffirming the government's commitment to strengthening institutional capacity for scientific inquiry.
These professionals did not just work, they sacrificed their time, energy, and comfort for the greater good of this nation's research future. The team that produced these draft documents did so under immense time pressure, but with unmatched dedication.
Going forward, MoHERST intends to deepen collaboration with universities, innovation hubs, industry leaders, and global research networks. Officials say the goal is to embed research within all sectors of national development and make it a cornerstone of sustainable and knowledge-driven future. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Fatu Silla.